Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best stuffed duff. This stuffed duff is actually made with boiled eggs. I do have another video of the stuffed duff, and that one was done with saltfish. You can check that one out also. If you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. These are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box with the measurements. To my flour, I just added some sugar, baking soda, cinnamon and nutmeg, and some baking powder. Alright, then I'll go in with my whisk and whisk everything together. Make sure everything is really well incorporated. It looks amazing. Then I go in with some butter, and I'm going to rub that in the flour with my fingers or my hand until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Please make sure your butter is at room temperature. Alright, so now what we will do is use my milk and water mixture. We'll pour that into the flour a little bit at a time until it forms a dough. Guys, you can also check out my other stuffed duff video, and that one was done with salted cod. And you can do this with anything of your choice, any meat of your choice. We'll let that sit for 30 minutes. These are the rest of our ingredients that we will be using. So after 30 minutes, I'll go ahead and divide the dough. I place the egg in the center of the dough, pinch each side, form a ball, and then we will use our two hands and make it like a little cylinder kind of shape, just like that. Awesome. So to a pan, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going in with my sliced onions. You can use any onions here of your choice. I'm adding my mushrooms, my basil, cilantro, parsley, and green onions, and we are going to mix that together along with some habanero peppers. Then I go in with my tomatoes, and we will continue to mix. Allow this to cook for about 7 minutes on medium to low heat. Then we go in with our chicken bouillon. Give that a good stir. Smells amazing here, guys. Then our next step is adding our coconut milk, and I'm using 2 cups of coconut milk here. Make sure to stir and taste. Stir and taste. And I go in with 2 cups of water, and we will cover this and bring to a boil, after which we are going to give that a good stir and taste. Make sure it is right, because we would like our duff to absorb all that rich, beautiful, creamy coconut sauce. Alright, so we're gonna put our duff in here. Give them enough room. And then I'm going to cover. No peeking, guys, until 12 minutes when you're going to remove the duff from the coconut milk or remove the pot. that is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dig in, guys. This is so amazing. The flavor of this broth is delicious. So now I'm going to pour the remainder of the broth in the bowl there with the duff. I had to cut that for you guys to see. It is super delicious. It is so spongy. So here, guys, I'll show you how spongy this stuff is, how fluffy. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. The broth is so flavorful and delicious. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I'd just like to encourage you again to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a video. Like, share, and comment. Alright, so you guys have a fabulous day, and I see you all on the next video. Bye bye.